Koikimedia bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. Today being the 3rd of July 2021, we are live now in Lagos State for the Lagos State Mega Rally. Ekola Washeri, what if block gbogbo ọ̀nà? They don't want people to pass. And lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí ní Ọjọ́ta, they are firing their tear gas. Jerry, we are on our way, we are coming in. Jerry, we are coming. No going back. Àti wà ní Èkó, nothing can stop this.
Yoruba nation now, no going back.
Yoruba nation no going back. Koikimedia bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Inú Èkó la wà, nothing can stop the Yoruba nation. Jerry, what everywhere? Jerry, battalion ló ń bọ̀ yìí o. Let them know, battalion ló ń bọ̀. We are peaceful ralliers. We are not protesters. We are peaceful ralliers. Koikimedia, today being the 3rd of July 2021. Àti wọ́n ní Èkó náà. Yes. Lagos is part of the Yoruba nation. We are not joking. Wà ní Ọjọ́ta lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí, and they are firing tear gas. One fire tear gas, they have blocked the whole road for us not to pass. We are coming. Yoruba nation no going back. We have come here for a peaceful rally. Yoruba nation now. Ilẹ̀ bàbá mi ni ilẹ̀ olómìnira ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. We want the whole media house, home and abroad, to connect to this live now. If you are in mainstream media, you have to see what is happening here now, home and abroad. We are in Lagos State, Nigeria, location 419. Olawabai. We are peaceful protesters. We are coming. Koikimedia is live here. Koikimedia. We are peaceful ralliers. We are here for peaceful rally. Ẹ jẹ́ kí ó ẹlẹ́ máa gbọ́, gbogbo ilẹ̀ máa gbọ́. Ẹ bá ṣe ẹ̀kọ́ kíláàsì. Let the British watch this now. Every mainstream media, home and abroad, àpè yìí torí Ọlọ́run. We want the CNN to connect to this live now. We want every media house, BBC, CNN, Fox, everywhere. Watch this live now. We are in Lagos State. You see, kò sí ìbọn lọ́wọ́ wa. A ò ní bọ ọ̀làjà. We are here for peaceful rally. Ẹgbẹ́ nìkan la mú já ní ìdí tàdé fi mú ẹgbẹ́. Ká lè fi clear way, ká clear pass fúnra wa ní. Ẹ jáde síta wherever you are. And anywhere you are, we want you to hashtag. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Now, a jẹ́ fẹ́ kí ẹ máa, ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá wọ broadcast yìí, a fẹ́ kí ẹ máa hashtag Yoruba nation now. Peaceful rally. Yoruba nation now. Gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n wà ní custody DSS, you need to hashtag it now. Release peaceful ralliers. Emma hashtag by Sunday Igboho is not a criminal. Sunday Igboho is fighting for the rights of the whole of Yorubas, the whole of the sons and daughters of Yoruba all over the world. We are not fighters. A ò ṣe ẹrú mọ́. A ti gba ìlú yìí, a ti gba Yorùbá nation iná. Èkó tẹ̀ ń wò yìí, ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni and nothing can stop it. Jerry, we have security everywhere. We have them everywhere, you can see. We have them everywhere, you can see.
Olúwa nation. Where is it?
Yoruba nation not going back. Security are being marched everywhere here. Emma share broadcast feed. You can see security. It's a remote everywhere. We are going there now. They said they are shooting at Ojota now. Wọ́n ní pé wọ́n yìnbọn ní Ojota lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. This is it. No going back. Ẹ máa share broadcast yìí. Movement, movement. Ẹ máa share broadcast yẹn tí ẹ bá ń wò. Koikimedia bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. Today being the 3rd of July 2021. Àti Èkó.
Ọ̀gá ń sọ yìí, Èkó la wà yìí. Wọ́n bí wọn rẹ̀ wọ́n sọ pé Yorùbá nation lè wo Èkó. Ẹni tó bá sọ pé Yorùbá nation ní wọ́ọ̀kì wọn ní fúre. Ẹ̀yin wọn la máa ṣe èyí kété là ń ṣọ̀fọ̀. Òun là ń sọ ìmọ̀ àwọn oṣooju mi. Torí ẹ̀ Yorùbá nation máa work.
Ẹ máa share broadcast yìí. Kò sí kankan gbàgbé bó ṣẹlẹ̀. Kò sí kankan. Koikimedia bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. Àti wọnú Èkó báyìí o. Nothing can stop it. Movement.
Inú Èkó la wà yìí, a máa jẹ́ kí anybody mọ̀.
Ẹ máa share broadcast yìí. Wọ́n ní pé wọ́n yìnbọn lọ́jọ́ta lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí.
Ìgbòho nìkan fẹ́ ló kí àwọn ọmọlẹ́yìn ẹ̀yà pa.
Àwọn èèyàn kú lẹ́yìn àgbẹ̀. Wọ́n ní wọ́n shoot lọ́jọ́ta báyìí.
Àtìmọ̀ ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. Wọ́n ní mọ́tò kú lẹ́yìn.
We need to record something. Ẹ dúró. We are moving. We are moving. Ẹ máa share broadcast. Koikimedia. We are here. We are trooping in. Sunday Igboho is not a criminal. Release Lady K. Release Ola. Release AY. Release everyone in DSS custody. Sunday Igboho is not a criminal. Kì í ṣe wanted.
You can declare Gumi wanted, but not Sunday Igboho.
Yes.
Different.
Gumi, Minister for Negotiation, is negotiating with criminals.
Koikimedia bring the work closer to your.
Yes, we are here. We are in Lagos. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni,
Yorùbá ló ní èkó.
Yorùbá ló lè kó.
Everybody wá mọ̀ o.
We want every media house, home and abroad to connect live. Fox Media, where are you? Connect from here. Channels, connect from here. From wherever you are, connect from here all over the world. Mainstream media, connect from here. We are live in Lagos. We are peaceful ralliers. We have a peaceful rally here. We are here to do peaceful rally. Security all around. They are everywhere. You can see. You can see. Am I sure broadcasting? You can see the armed men, they are here. We are peaceful, we are peaceful. We are peaceful here. We are peaceful here, you can see. Armed men everywhere. Am I sure broadcast enter Banwo? Share this broadcast. Yoruba Nation now. No going back. You can see it there. Ẹ ti rí ibẹ̀ là ń lọ.
Ṣèbí sálẹ̀ ni abẹ́fẹsẹ̀ lọ ni.
Everybody come down, everybody come down. Everybody come there. Everybody come there. Everybody come there.
Koikimedia bringing the world closer to your doorstep.
Oòduà nation! Oòduà nation! Oòduà nation!
You can hear sound of tear gas. Am I sure broadcast?
Ó yẹ jẹ́ ká lọ yí ká fẹsẹ̀ rìn lọ báyìí ká gbé
kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tá a lọ bí tá a lọ.
a máa gbàgbé báyìí tí mọ́tò ká bọ́lẹ̀. ẹsẹ̀ láti máa rìn lọ mọ́tò rẹ̀ máa tún.
ó yá.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Ẹ jọ kẹrọsì yẹn dá.
ẹ máa share broadcast yìí.
sọ fẹ́ gbà ẹni tí rẹ máa lọ ẹ̀ tí. Oya jalo.
No. Bella.
Àwọn ò ní kúkúkú kan bí bò ṣe yíyé ẹ̀yin lẹ máa kú.
Ẹ máa share broadcast yìí.
Seven up.
Boss, toll gate. Wọ́n ní ká padà sí bẹ́gà.
Bọ́ọ̀sì wa dà. Koikimedia bringing the world closer to your doorstep.
U-turn, àwọn ẹ̀jẹ̀ wọn lọ máa tọ́nù lójú ìbù kí ló dé.
Ẹ̀wọ̀n ìkíni ìlọlẹ̀.
Dúró wọlé.
Bella.
Alo la koto.
Ẹ̀wọ̀n ìkíni ìlọlẹ̀ ẹjọ́.
Táyélé. Ìlọ táyélé. Páàkì jà.
Ẹ lọ ìkíni ìlọ. Ẹ̀wọ̀n ìkíni ìlọlẹ̀.
Ibẹ̀ náà lọ sí wáyé ni.
Gábí.
Kí ni Matthew lélẹ̀ ẹjọ́?
No, àwọn òun lọ.
Ẹ̀wọ̀n in kíláàsì ìlọlẹ̀ ẹ bá wa ṣe ìlọlẹ̀. Ẹ bá wa ṣe kíní ìlọlẹ̀. Ẹ dúró.
Àrídìí ẹ̀kọ́ mi ẹ̀jẹ̀ ká mú fún náà ṣùgbọ́n àwọn nọ́mbà sẹ́lẹ̀.
Ẹjọ́ jẹ́ bọ́lẹ̀ jàre.
Àwọn náà ti ń bọ̀ bí. Everybody, calm down.
Bọ́lẹ̀ ni mọ́tò.
Yé! They have attacked. Please. They are firing tear gas. You can see, I'm going to share broadcasting. They have attacked us. You can see.
Wọ́n máa tún fẹ́ cross mi. Local government wà bẹ́ẹ̀ náà.
Ẹ̀yin náà ń kọ́. Wà. They are firing tear gas. You can see what's happening. Ìgbà tó ń fire tear gas báyìí, ẹni tó ní asthma tó bá wà láàrin wa ńkọ́, they want to kill mass people here. They want to kill people here. They are firing tear gas. Ẹni tó ní asthma tó bá wà láàrin wa, we have people having asthma that are in our midst.
Ọkọ̀ ní òwe pa àwọn èèyàn náà káàkọ̀ bá ti gbàgbé ẹ̀nà.
Ẹ share broadcast yìí. There are many of our people here that are having asthma. Many of our people are having asthma. They are firing tear gas. They want to kill mass people here. Humble. Koikimedia bringing the world closer to your doorstep. You can see. We have people here tí wọ́n ní asthma. Wọ́n dẹ̀ yin tear gas. Àwọn lè rí lókè yẹn o. You can see them. They are standing with their guns set to fire.
Abiola Gadi MKO Abiola Gadi. Abiola Gadi náà ni.
Abiola Gadi ló ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí.
Lè sọ lágbára ṣàì mọ́tò ṣé káfà àwọn ẹrù mọ́tò wa nẹ̀.
Ó ṣájà.
Àwọn eléyìí ẹnu mọ́ ní o.
Ó ṣájà. Ó ṣájà.
Ẹ máa share broadcast yìí. Wọ́n ti fẹ́ wọ́ mọ́tò wa lọ. Prince, fi camera lẹ̀. Media ni wa, we are not workers. Kí ló sọ?
Mo bá ṣe ara máa gbé fóònù yẹn kóòdù ẹ lè fáìlì ẹ máa ṣe.
Matthew, àwọn àmì. Àwọn àmì ti wà níbí o, you will see them now.
They are around everywhere, yeah. And look at the movement.
The armies are here, you can see.
Take him up. Look up the catch to take him up. Can anybody copy me?
They are firing more tear gas. You can see they are firing tear gas. You can see the smoke of tear gas everywhere. You can see the smoke of tear gas. One you tear gas. You can see the smoke everywhere.
Yeah, I want to go tell you that. Because of security purpose. Because of the security purpose.
You can see they are shooting tear gas. Am I share broadcasting? We entered Lagos and they are firing tear gas. See what they have done the country to. Koikimedia is recording live. They are firing tear gas. You can see. Media is here.
Media.
Matthew and we have people among us that are having asthma.
Media.
They want to kill mass people here.
Hello, get you. Copy, get you.
They are firing. Hey.
Media, run.
Oh yeah, move.
Oh yeah, run.
Run. They are shooting gun.
Media, run. Media, run. Media, go. Go.
You can see they are shooting gun here. One yibon. The same way they are firing tear gas. Koikimedia bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. Today being the 3rd of July 2021.
Don't wait for anybody now.
Hey, we match you. You can see where we needed to get ourselves safe.
Media. Let us go, please. Hello.
Emma share broadcasting.
Mbolewa.
We plead to international radio and TV stations to tune to this now. Fox Media, Channels TV, where are you? They are firing tear gas and they are also shooting gun at peaceful ralliers. We are here in Lagos to make peaceful rally. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tó dẹ̀ wà nínú wa, we are having asthma.
Kí lorúkọ bí táwọn ẹ̀?
Brother, ẹjọ́ kí ló pa àdúgbò yìí? Kí ló pa àdúgbò yìí?
Kí lorúkọ àdúgbò bí táwọn ẹ̀? Ẹjọ́ kí lorúkọ bí táwọn ẹ̀?
Ojú Ògbólú la wà nínú Èkó. We came here for peaceful rally. They got the whole road blocked. This is what location 419 government is doing. They are shooting straight bullets. Please go inside. Ẹ wọlé ẹjọ́.
Wọ́n ti mú ní iṣẹ́ yẹn padà.
Straight bullet ló ń yìn báyìí báyìí.
Straight bullet náà ń yìn o, ẹ sá o.
Wọ́n ò rí ìbọn lọ́wọ́ wa.
Straight bullet àwọn ọlọ́pàá ń yìn o.
Níbo la fẹ́ gbà jáde? Ẹja máa lọ.
Ẹjọ́ close shop yẹn, straight bullet náà ń yìn o, please o.
Please close your shop. They are shooting straight bullets.
Ẹjọ́ media.
Straight bullet náà ń yìn o, kò lè bá wa o. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yẹ ìyẹn à ń sọ fún wọn.
So straight bullet lọ́lọ́pàá yín báyìí o. Ẹjọ́ ń bo la máa gba bíbá ìjà. Tipa. Àfẹ̀jásẹ́ express yẹn mọ́.
Àfẹ̀jásẹ́ express. Ọ̀nà tó lọ sí Ìbàdàn Àfẹ̀jásẹ́ express yìí.
Ẹja lọ. Hello.
Wọ́n ti fi ìbọn àti tear gas tú wa ká. Sọ́níkà.
Àti ìlú express padà ẹjọ́ a fẹ́ wọnú Kétu.
Ẹjọ́ máa lọ.
Ẹ ṣe.
Ẹjọ́ ti ẹlẹ́ wọlé o. Straight bullet náà ń lọ ẹjọ́ ti lọ.
Koikimedia is still live here.
Media. Because of security purpose of the show.
Yes, sir. I'm calling on all mainstream media, home and abroad, Fox Media, Channels TV, wherever you are. I want you to tune to this live now.
No, anybody ja. Sorry, security purpose ni ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run. Hello, Àfẹ̀jásí express.
Àfẹ̀jásí bí ọjọ́ ta yẹn.
Ẹgbẹ́ báyìí kẹta àdúgbò. ẹ ṣe jàre ọ̀gá mi ẹ ṣe.
ẹ gbá bíbá yìí.
ibi ni ẹja gbà ẹ jọ ẹ gbọ́ kí lorúkọ street ta wà ní. Akérèlé. Adéyè. Ẹ gbọ́ báyìí kẹ́ gbòògùn máa wò láti rẹ̀ gan lè rí. Adéyè.
Ẹ gba straight báyìí. Ẹ lè gbà sí road. Ẹ lè gbà sí.
Kẹ́rí àbẹ̀ ní bọ̀dùjà. Tẹ́ǹgbọ́rọ̀ mi bọ̀ torí àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn náà kálukú fi múra pé.
Àlàyé ẹ mọ̀ kan tí mo fi sọ pé kẹ́ máa gbà dúró. Àwọn yẹn máa wà scared. Àwọn ọmọ kékeré dẹ̀ wà mẹ́. Ṣé ẹ máa gba bíbá yìí? Ẹ lè move sí tàbá.
Àfẹ́ bọ́s express ni.
Ẹ ti rí ṣe express.
Ibi tó sọ yẹn, a máa bọ́ sí.
Ẹ máa bọ́ sí tipa straight ni.
Ẹ bá wọnú àdúgbò tẹ́ bá wọ́n
ẹ má wọ kò sí nǹkan kan. You can see what is happening here. Police are shooting straight bullets. Wọ́n yin tear gas, wọ́n yin straight bullets.
ọlọ́pàá ni o.
Àwọn ọlọ́pàá location 419.
Godi, wọ́n ní kò ṣáájú. Wọ́n ní kò ṣáájú. Wọ́n ní o. Ta ló gbé sáré dànù?
Okay. Mo fẹ́ end broadcast. Mo ní mo fẹ́ end it.
Okay.
I'll be ending the broadcast now for our security. African on my location tower. Thank you very much for watching. We are still coming back live. Àwọn cars wà ó wà ní ọ̀dọ̀ wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. They are shooting straight bullets. Koikimedia bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. Today being the 3rd of July 2021.